we're gonna actually put this on the shirt right now so you can see what it looks like. So follow us to the back. All right, as you can see, we got many colors. You can also order this in different styles. Yeah, place your order, and it usually ships pretty fast. So